120 useful English phrases for everyday use. Hi everyone! Today I would like to share with you 120 useful phrases for English speaking. You can use them in both speaking and writing. They come with meaning and examples for you to easily understand and know how to use in sentences. Let's get started.
1. As easy as pie. Very easy. Same as a piece of cake. Example. He said it is a difficult problem, but I don't agree. It seems as easy as pie to me. 2. Be sick and tired of. I hate. Also, can't stand. Example. I'm sick and tired of doing nothing but work. Let's go out tonight and have fun. 3. Bend over backwards. Try very hard, maybe too much. Example. He bent over backwards to please his new wife, but she never seemed satisfied. 4. Bite off more than one can chew. Take responsibility for more than one can manage. Example. John is so far behind in his studies. Besides classes, he plays sports and works at a part-time job. It seems he has bitten off more than he can chew. 5. Broke. To have no money. Example. I have to borrow some money from my dad. Right now, I'm broke. 6. Change one's mind. Decide to do something different from what had been decided earlier. Example. I was planning to work late tonight, but I changed my mind. I'll do extra work on the weekend instead. 7. Cut it out. Stop doing something bad. Example. That noise is really annoying. Cut it out. 8. Drop someone a line. Send a letter or email to someone. Example. It was good to meet you, and I hope we can see each other again. Drop me a line when you have time. 9. Figure something out. Come to understand a problem. Example. I don't understand how to do this problem. Take a look at it. Maybe you can figure it out. 10. Fill in for someone. Do their work while they are away. Example. While I was away from the store, my brother filled in for me. 11. In ages. For a very long time. Example. Have you seen Joe recently? I haven't seen him in ages. 12. Give someone a hand. Help. Example. I want to move this desk to the next room. Can you give me a hand? 13. Hit the hay. Go to bed. Also, hit the sack. Example. It's after 12 o'clock. I think it's time to hit the hay. 14. In the black. The business is making money. It is profitable. Example. Our business is really improving. We've been in the black all year. 15. In the red means the business is losing money. It is unprofitable. Example. Business is really going poorly these days. We've been in the red for the past 3 months. 16. In the nick of time. Not too late, but very close. Example. I got to the drugstore just in the nick of time. It's a good thing because I really need this medicine. 17. Keep one's chin up. Remain brave and keep on trying. Example. I know things have been difficult for you recently, but keep your chin up. It will get better soon. 18. Know something like the back of your hand. Something very, very well. Example: if you get lost, just ask for directions. I know this part of town like the back of my hand. 19. Once in a while. Sometimes, not very often. Example: have you been to the new movie theater? No, only see movies once in a while. I usually stay home and watch TV. 20. Sharp. Exactly at that time. Example: I'll meet you at 9 o'clock sharp. If you're late, we'll be in trouble.